Taranithoi Shiba Manipur Legislative Assembly Budget Mifam Gingasi Fam Kiba Mifam da Towan Ba Demand Taragi Lupa Crore Listing Taruka Chatrit Katara Henbagi Sanfam Oigadaba Gran Singh House na pass okray. House ki leader Oibaga Loina Finance ki Thausu Puriba Chief Minister Y Khemcha na Pukhatkiba demand for Gran Singh Adudi Transport, Labor and Employment, Department of Travel Affairs and Hills Development, Environment and Forest, Community and Rural Development, Planning, Rehabilitation, State Academy of Training, Minority and Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Caste Department amasung Information Technology ni demand sing asi pass ong naba khanarakpa matamda opposition MLA TH Location and Labor and Employment, Department of Travel Affairs and Hills Development, Environment and Forest, Community and Rural Development amasung Minority and Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Caste ki demand sing da cut motion thangatki. MLA ke Ranjitna Transport, Environment and Forest amasung Community and Rural Development ki demand sing da cut motion thangatki. Tungda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemcha, Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgan amadi Losi Dikona Paukum Piraba Matung cut motion sing handok na duna demand tara si House ki members sing na amatoy na yana duna pass okay.